Page 45. This is a lesson on technique, I guess, and I'm going to cover numbers 1 and 2. Numbers 3 and 4, they say, are on technique. Okay, if that's what you want. But to me, it's more like transposing. So I'm going to cover 3 and 4 in separate videos. I had it originally, I covered it all in one video, and it got so confusing, and then I found an error in a video, so I got to redo part of it. So I'm just redoing the whole page. I'll probably be redoing videos because you'll notice the background and everything's different than the other lessons as I go through the book, because I've already recorded videos for the whole book. And now I see things at the end of the book that maybe I need to explain a little better now to prepare you for then and get the... I'm redoing it, so there. This is number 1 and 2 at the top. It's the idea of multiple voices at the same time, and you're doing different things in the hands, which means here we're holding one note down while playing other notes. Look at the line 1 here. It's a C and a G. With the C's tied, you can hold it down for 2 measures. While you do these, here, so. Then go up, just come up keyboard. Go on. You go all the way up to here. You should go back down, but I guess if you go up, that's enough. I would go up and down both. And you ought to do it in both hands. Well, number 2 does it in the left hand. Is here. It's here. And then 2 octaves lower here because you're going to go up the keyboard up to here, because if you start here and go up, you're going to just do 2 octaves, huh? And it's here. I have a shake in my left hand, makes it harder to play, but that's the idea. Now you're going to add the staccatos and all, and frankly, I do both hands at the same. Do 1 and 2 at the same time. You're here. Here. Staccato, bum, bum. Let's talk about holding this note down. I'm going to come back up here. It's more comfortable for me. Sometimes when doing this, you'll find that you're pushing down really hard. I got to hold that down. I'm pushing down. Everybody does. I did it. Everybody. Okay. The problem is, no. Bad technique. Don't. Bad, bad, bad. Naughty, naughty. Don't do that. Once you push a note down, it takes no effort at all to hold it down. All you got to do is just don't let up. I mean, the weight alone of the finger will hold it down. You don't keep pushing down once you push a note down. There's no point. It's wasted effort. So here, just leave that down. I'm not necessarily pushing anything. I'm just leaving it down, and I'm doing this. So get to where you can just relax. Focus on the note that's down, not the note you're playing, and stay relaxed. Just stay relaxed here on this note. I'm not pushing down, and same thing here. This is down, and I'm just leaving it. I'm not pushing down. I'm just leaving it down. That takes a little getting used to, but you want to stay relaxed. And so that's what I think you should be focusing on here, is relaxing, and while holding the note down, relax. After it's down, relax. How light can you lift up without letting the note up? That you'll be surprised. It takes no effort to hold the note down once it's down. Hardly any effort to push it down. Yeah, and that's what we need to be doing here on numbers 1 and 2. Is this? You get the idea? Okay. You ought to be able to do it the other way. Do it this way. Hold the little finger down. Listen. Do that too, because it's important that you be able to do either finger, or any finger for that matter. But yeah, try that and see what you think. As far as the MF and all that, in my opinion, you really should be doing this at pianissimo, and just as soft as you can do it, because it's more difficult to play soft than it is here. So you're here, very soft. How soft? Super soft. And then soft. How soft can you play it? That takes control. And that's why I think you should be practicing it really soft.